We've compiled a video that includes some experts that actually deal with the design, engineering, and construction of central dispatches and emergency operations centers. The video will include people that actually design them, as well as individuals that utilize them, EMA directors, 911 directors. This video, hopefully you'll get knowledge from and understand from a very basic level what it takes to implement one of these very unique facilities.
We met with Pyramid, the architects involved with it. We honestly put together quite a few working groups of peers, other centers, went and visited other centers, see what they look like that are consolidated. A lot of it too, the layouts of our dispatchers, the people who are going to be working there every day, like our current layout, I let them pick between 2 or 3 different layouts, which one they felt worked the best.
We meet with the clients to discuss their programmatic requirements. We sit down, we have our own ideas that we like to offer, but then they have their requirements. So we mesh those together. We work through numerous preliminary plans to get what they would like to have. And then we start to develop the construction drawings, putting together the electrical, mechanical, plumbing drawings, structural drawings, civil drawings. So it all becomes one set of drawings that we issue to a contractor or numerous contractors.
The current building that we're in was put together and built by the city of Anderson, and it's a newer building, it's a nice building, but if you wanted to look at Homeland Security standards and what they would propose that we should have, we really just fail in all categories on that building. Nice building, be a great office building, but it's really not sustainable, through a giant tornado or a giant lightning strike or some other things that could really cause some damage there. And if you look at the security features, they could also be improved as well. So we've really started off with what those suggestions are from the National Homeland Security as far as what your dispatch center PSAP should be all about, and applied those to the design that we're going to have.
As architects, we sit down with the client and discuss their needs, requirements for the building. We bring our expertise of what we've done with previous projects and like to share that with our client. It's a give and take on what we come up with in a design. It takes about 2 months to come up with a set of drawings to produce for a bid package.
Well, when you design an EOC, you have to consider the location, first of all. You have to decide whether it's on a good location of roads and access to the government officials. It's not near a hazard area where a tower can be located if that's needed. There's life safety concerns, there's mechanical, electrical, plumbing, architectural, structural. So all the disciplines that go into an EOC have to be considered. EOCs have to be designed structurally so that they can withstand tornadoes and things like that. So when we design a EOC, it's a very solid structure. It's got concrete walls, precast concrete roof, and it's all tied in together with reinforcing bars at 12 inches on center. There's a concrete topping that it's put on top. It really withstands those kind of wind forces and things in a tornado and anything like that. So because during an event like that, you have to maintain the operability of the facility. At Pyramid, we break down all our projects into trade contracts. We don't have a general contractor on a project. So we'll look at the project and decide which trades that we want to bid out directly. It affords the owner a lot more cost-effective project because you're not paying overhead on all those different subcontracts.
To build a central dispatch and EOC takes an army of contractors and a good amount of time to do it. We're building basically a bunker above ground, 12-inch reinforced walls, huge precast concrete roofs. It's a pretty cool building, pretty exciting project to work on. The process for building a new facility really is much easier than a remodel. With a remodel, you never know what you're going to get. How those contractors built that building 20 years ago or 30 years ago or something, the weather, the rain, that sort of thing is a challenge with a new building that you don't have with a remodel. But all in all, building a new building is much easier than trying to remodel an existing. The level of IT, as you walk around a facility like this, is pretty intense. Not only the IT, the information technology for all these dispatch units, the radio technology, the security technology, all of these doors are secure, backup generators, the air conditioning, do you have proper air conditioning in your IT rooms? A whole lot of things to take into consideration. The central dispatch for public safety within a community is the backbone. That's the communication backbone. They're orchestrating public safety, first responders. If you should have a weather event or some other event, you want this facility to be hardened so that it's not having leaks in the roofs or have an impact from trees or that sort of thing. These people have got to be here 24/7. 365 days a year and be able to communicate with the first responders in the field.